Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. If you're looking for lunch recipes that you can make in just about 15 minutes, that's also perfect for your lunch boxes, well, here is a great recipe for you. We're going to make this delicious garlic mushroom fried rice. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I've taken 300 grams of fresh mushrooms. Make sure you wash it nice and clean without any dirt. I'm just going to slice it, not too thin. I'm going to cut the mushrooms into thick slices. So you can cut them into 3 like how I'm doing. Take a nice white kadai or a wok. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding 10 large cloves of garlic that's been finely chopped. Saute the garlic for about a minute on medium-low flame. So once you've got that beautiful aroma, next I'm adding 1 large onion that's been finely chopped and 1 small capsicum that's been finely chopped. Keeping the flame on medium-high, saute the ingredients for about 2 minutes. Just quickly stir fry the vegetables. Once the onions are translucent, add the sliced mushrooms. Who are the mushroom lovers in your family and how often do you make mushroom recipes for them? Let me know in the comment section. Just mix everything well. Stir fry the mushrooms on high flame. Now I'm seasoning it with 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of freshly ground pepper. Give it all a nice mix. You can adjust the seasoning according to your taste. Continue to stir fry on high flame. So the mushrooms will release a lot of moisture, as you can see. So I've been continuously stir frying on high flame for a few minutes now. So as you can see, all the excess moisture is evaporated. The mushrooms have become a bit dry. At this point, we can add the rice. So I have a bowl of cooked Basmati rice. So the rice is at room temperature, it's not hot. Gently drop in the cooked rice. Finally, I'm finishing off by adding 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and some finely chopped spring onion greens. Gently mix that in. And there you have this absolutely delicious garlic mushroom fried rice. You can make this in just about 15 minutes. It's an extremely delicious and super one-pot dish. It's perfect for your lunchbox. I've made several mushroom recipes and I will give you the playlist of those recipes in the description. You can check them out. I'm going to enjoy this garlic mushroom fried rice as is, but you can have it with any side dish of your choice. Well, time to taste. Yummy. It's got the beautiful flavors of garlic and mushrooms, and of course very simple seasoning, just salt and pepper. Wonderful rice. It's a great dish with simple flavors, so do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.